Hi, my name's Lucas, and today we're going to be smoking Huli Huli chicken on the pit barrel smoker.
Well, it's another rainy day here in northern Michigan, so today we're going to be cooking inside here again. That's alright. We don't mind it. Go ahead and fill up the pit barrel basket all the way up to full, up to level. We'll go ahead and take out a quarter of them again. Get those started in the chimney. That ought to work good. Get that put in the pit barrel there and get the other one started up. I like using these tumbleweeds from Royal Oak to get the charcoal going. They work really great. Get them at Tractor Supply. They work awesome. Let's go ahead and get one of those underneath. There we go. Get that started up. Let's go inside and prep the chicken. Today I'm going to be cheating again using Pam for my binder. Works great, really fast. Usually I'll just use an olive oil or something, but this works just as good. It's nice and quick. Don't take long at all. I'll do both sides. I have olive oil. I'm just running somewhat low, so figure I might as well go with that. Today's seasoning we're using is chicken in a barrel's off the hook barbecue rub from Kauai. One of my favorite seasonings. Just got another shipment in the other day. 4 more bottles, so this stuff goes a long ways. Don't need a ton of it on there because today we're going to have a lot of extra other seasonings on it with the Huli Huli sauce that'll be going on here in a little bit. Get this flipped over. I'm not going to put a whole ton on there. Using a Hawaiian seasoning, Hawaiian wood, using Kiawe wood again today. And that Huli Huli seasoning is really good. It's got ginger, pineapple juice, some soy sauce, some ketchup, and I think a few other things in there. I'll get the list and the ingredients in the description. There we go. Now we're going to go ahead and get our 4 hooks placed in there and we'll have them on the smoker. Yeah, looks like it's going good enough. Go ahead and get that on the coals. There's the wood I'm using. One big chunk of Kiawe wood. Then get the rebar hung up. Put the lid on it, let that come up to temp just a little bit. Alright, I think it's time to get this chicken hung up already. Looking nice. Very, very tasty. haven't made Huli Huli chicken in a long time, so this will be fun. There we go. We'll check on those probably about an hour and a half and get a first layer of sauce on them. Alright, right now I have 1 cup of pineapple juice in there for our Huli Huli sauce. Next we're going to use a ½ cup of ketchup. So we'll just go with those lines on the side to measure. That looks good. ½ cup of soy sauce. We'll use a tablespoon of minced garlic. Get some of that in there. Two teaspoons of ginger. Once I find it here. And our 2 teaspoons of ginger. Now that that is all added, we will get it all mixed up and put into a pot and start boiling it down. And now we've got it all mixed up, we'll go ahead and heat this up till it starts simmering down some and thickening up a little bit. And we will get the chicken in here and put this on it. Now it's time to get the chicken off here, and we will take it inside and give it its first coating of the Huli Huli sauce. There you go, buddy. Hold on. Wow, look at that. That is juicy. You got it good there, bud? Getting heavy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's slipping off now.
It's a lot of chicken, isn't it, buddy?
It's not that heavy.
Alright, let's go ahead and get this on there.
Now.
Yeah, I'll take it. Well, they're looking good already, but it's going to look even better with that sauce on it. Alright, going to go ahead and get these on a cutting board, get them laid out easier. I'll go ahead and grab my basting brush and we'll get those coated. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and get this sauce on here.
I want to do it.
You want to do some of it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let you get some done, okay?
And
Just
I do
land.
the last piece.
You want the last one?
Yeah. Actually, the 1 and the 2.
You want both the last 2?
Yeah.
Alrighty. Well, this is the first time we're going to do it. We're probably going to baste it another time too. We'll let this thicken up some on the smoker. Good coating. It'd be nice to actually see it caramelize up some. Sure looks good. It smells good, don't it?
Yeah.
It smells nice and sweet.
It
Now
smells, it smells like my favorite chicken.
It's like your favorite chicken.
It smells like tangerine chicken because that's tangerine sauce.
Alright, well, we'll get this first thing on there. I'll baste it up. I'm going to flip them over later, and after this section's done, and baste the other side. Then we will go ahead and get them back out on the smoker.
I do the last one.
Yep, we'll get the last one. Smells good, doesn't it, buddy? Is that going to be your piece?
It's gonna be your piece.
Oh, I mean,
That one's mine. It's the juiciest.
okay. All right, now we got the boys doing some more of the Huli Huli sauce on them. Is that your piece there, Bodie? You remember what one you were going to eat?
So that's mine, and that's yours.
Oh, okay. Lucas, you want to sauce some of them up too?
If you're new from this channel, it's Bodie, Lucas, and Dad. What? That's what. Subscribe to. If you're new on this channel, subscribe to Jurassic Pork.
Alright, they're off the smoker. Let's take a good cut here. Oh, that's looking good. That's looking really yummy. I'm going to go ahead and give it to the boys for a taste test.
I'm going to try this Huli Huli chicken. That's good, really good. And I'm going to try this Huli Huli chicken. It's good and very, very juicy.
Alright, now time for my taste test. Very good. Really sticky seasoning. That Huli Huli sauce is awesome. Really good pineapple flavor and everything in it. Really good stuff. So, this is John with Jurassic Pork. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching, and God bless.